Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, in this video we have brought very unique and broad mind gifting ideas. If you have any special friend and you wanna gift something special to your friend, so we are here for broad mind ideas for your friends. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe now so that you can find each and every new video for your crocheting. Here are 20 above benefits of crochet gifts. First one is the personal touch. Show you care and put thought into the present. Unique. One kind of unique, making it extra special. Handmade with love. Made with love and attention to details. Cozy and warm. Provides physical warmth and comfort. Emotional connection. Evokes feelings of happiness, comfort, and nostalgia. Practical. Useful and functional like dishcloths and market bags. Dear viewers, you can see some type of special gifts. Really, it has made very special for you. Even you cannot believe that. Is this crocheting? But really, all these videos and pictures which today I am showing to you, all these are crochetings. You can never believe that is that crochet, but believe that is this crochet. This is crochet. Sustainability, made for eco-friendly yarn and can be required or repurposed. Cost effective, made on a budget, making it a thoughtful and affordable option. Skill sharing, passes on skill and traditions to future generations. Memory making, becomes treasures, family heirlooms and memories. Relaxing, crocheting a gift can be claiming and meditative. Customizable, can be tailored to the reception's style and preferences. Durable, long lasting and can withstand wear and tear. Easy to care for, simple to wash and maintain. Versatile, can be used in various settings and occasions. Thoughtful, shows you put efforts and considerations into a gift. Beautiful, adds a touch of handmade beauty to any room. Sentimental values, becomes a treasured keepsake. Personal growth, helps develop crochet skills and confidence. Love and kindness, embodies the love and kindness for the giver. Here are some benefits of gift giving to your beloved. Today we want to show you and we want to share some gift giving benefits. Strengths relationship. First one is the gift giving benefit. Gift giving can deepen connection and build stronger bond with others. So it's really very good to make a strong relationship. You should give and take all type of gifts to your special friends so that your connection can be more stronger than previously. Shows appreciations. Gifts express gratitude and acknowledgement of someone's presence in your life. Spread joy. Receiving a gift can bring happiness and delight to the reception. encourage gift giving can foster a sense of mutual giving and receiving, promotes kindness. Gifts can be a thoughtful way to show compassion and empathy. Celebrations. Gift giving marks important events and occasions like birthdays and holidays. Personal growth. Gift giving can help develop empathy, thoughtfulness, and generosity. Economic gift. Gift giving can support local business and stimulate economic growth. Social connections. Gift giving can help establish and maintain social relationship. Feel good factor. Thank you for watching.